All right, guys, buckle up because this courtroom moment escalates fast. What starts as a routine felony charge explanation quickly turns tense as the defendant repeatedly claims he doesn't understand what's being said. Despite the judge's clear questions, the confusion keeps interrupting the flow, setting the stage for a frustrating and unpredictable hearing.
Sir, what's your name? In the orange?
Robert Drobashevsky.
One. So Drobashevsky, you're before the court on a felony complaint. That felony complaint alleges that on or about March 9th of 2026, at the location of 27 in Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, count 1 alleges that you did commit the offense of unlawful imprisonment regarding a Jennifer Larma. You understand the nature of that charge? I'm not asking you whether or not you did it.
Yes.
You understand what you're charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a felony punishable by up to 15 years incarceration, a $20,000 fine plus court costs. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
At this point, the situation begins to strain the court's patience. The judge tries to carefully re-explain the charges, even simplifying the wording, but the defendant continues to push back, insisting he didn't hear or understand properly. The tension builds as it becomes clear this is no longer a normal arraignment, but a communication breakdown unfolding in real time.
Count 2 is the offense of domestic violence or knowingly assaulting a pregnant individual, third or subsequent offense.
Did you say pregnant individual?
Said domestic violence and or knowingly assaulting a pregnant individual.
Your Honor, I have a clock here. I need to ask them to turn the volume up, please.
Hang on, sir.
Can you turn up the volume?
It's the third offense, domestic violence. Do you understand that, sir?
No, sir, Your Honor, because my ear and I didn't hear, and I wanted to clarify before I answer that. Did you say pregnant individual?
I listed the charge. I do not have knowledge if the individual is pregnant. I'm saying, let me redo that.
Thank you.
Domestic violence, third offense. Do you understand the charge, sir?
I didn't hear the things that you said before that, Your Honor, because my ear is plugged up and they just turned the volume up. So I didn't hear the full description, Your Honor. I apologize.
What?
I'm not trying to be difficult, Your Honor.
What didn't you hear the full of?
I thought you mentioned something in there, domestic assault of someone pregnant.
The full charge is domestic violence and or knowingly assaulting a pregnant individual. That's the full charge. So it could be domestic violence or it could be that you knowingly are assaulting somebody who is pregnant. It's a third offense. Understand the nature of that charge, sir. I'm not asking you whether or not you did it. I'm not asking anything along those lines. Do you understand what you were charged with?
No, I don't, Your Honor, because I'm not sure if you said...
All right, if you don't understand what you're charged with, we'll just do a formal reading. Here we go. You ready?
Just as the situation intensifies, the courtroom abruptly shifts to another case, creating a strange pause in the momentum. This brief interruption highlights how chaotic courtroom proceedings can become. But the focus quickly returns, and the earlier tension doesn't disappear. It only feels like it's been delayed for what's coming next.
I'll just go through all of the counts here because it's going to be this way. Your complaints are alleges that on or about March 9th, 2026, at the location of 271 in Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, count 1 alleges the offense of unlawful imprisonment. That specifically is indicating that you did knowingly restrain. Why did they let him go? Call the jail, tell him, put him in his cell, get a tablet in front. He's going to be arraigned today. Court calls the case. Brianna Jardine.
This is the township.
Ron brought up her. Brianna Jardine.
Stay behind.
Oh,
Hi.
hi.
Hi. You going to get up and walk away too?
No.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. All right. Good. Thank you.
Your Honor, we sent over a packet that you requested for him to travel. I believe he's trying to relocate to El Paso, Texas.
Back on record, the judge restarts everything from the beginning, carefully laying out each charge in full detail. However, the same pattern continues. The defendant interrupts again, claiming confusion, and the judge finally draws a line, labeling the behavior as uncooperative. At this moment, the hearing shifts from clarification to control.
I'm gonna go to community college out there. I've been getting enrolled.
I recall. So what are we doing on the case?
I'm requesting an adjournment and permission to travel.
I'll adjourn the matter to April 15th, 2026 at 9 a.m. And that's into El Paso, right?
Yes.
Any objection from the people about his travel?
None, Your Honor.
Defendant may travel to El Paso, Texas.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you. Good luck to you down there.
Thank you. You as well. Have a good day.
Thank you. So we have Mr. Dovashevsky back. Mr. Dovashevsky, you got up and you walked away from me, but that's okay because I'm going to arraign you, sir, on this matter. And I'm going to indicate to you, we'll just start over and we'll get it done, that on the date of March 9th, 2026, at the location of Ypsilanti Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, Count 1 alleges that you did commit the offense of unlawful imprisonment. It specifically states that you did knowingly restrain Jennifer Lerma by means of a weapon or dangerous instrument contrary to statute.
With the defendant no longer engaging properly, a public defender steps in and the case moves forward without his direct participation. Prosecutors push for a high bond, citing serious concerns, and the judge agrees, imposing strict conditions and a massive financial requirement. The hearing closes with a competency evaluation request, leaving serious questions about what just unfolded. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
That is a felony punishable by up to 15 years incarceration and a $20,000 fine plus court costs.
No, sit down.
Count 2 alleges the offense of domestic violence and or knowingly assaulting a pregnant individual, third or subsequent offense. That alleges that on that date and at that location that you did assault and or assault and batter Jennifer Lerma, an individual with whom the defendant has or had a dating relationship contrary to statute. That would normally be a 93-day misdemeanor. However, it is further alleged that you had previously been convicted of assault and or assault and battering of your spouse, the defendant's former spouse, or
I do not consent to my images or my intellectual property being transmitted over artificial intelligence.
The defendant had a child in common or resident or former resident of your household, or knowingly assaulting a pregnant individual, and that you had done that on or about February 25th, 2010 in Macomb County Circuit Court, and as a second domestic violence second offense, and on or about January 7th, 2025 in the 14B District Court. Therefore, upon conviction, you would receive enhanced sentencing. This is now a felony punishable by up to 5 years.
I don't understand what you're saying.
$5,000.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Why do you understand?
I don't understand what you're saying.
If the assault,
I don't understand what you're saying.
Which it was
I don't understand what.
I will not read that. Those are the charges against 2 charges that are against you. I will indicate, since the defendant is not being cooperative, I fully appreciate that he does understand me, that the defendant is standing mute to these charges. I will ask the public defender to step in as his counsel, and I will enter a not guilty plea. Ms. Anderson.
Thank you, Your Honor. First Assistant Public Defender Kalina Anderson, with on behalf of Mr. Drobashewski. Your Honor, unfortunately, we were unable to meet this morning. The only information I have at this point is just contact information for him, and to advise the court that there's nothing else holding him in custody. We would ask for a reasonable bond pending the PCC date.
Set a probable cause conference, I should say, in this matter for March 26, 2026, 9 a.m. As to the bond regarding the people,
Thank you, Your Honor. Gabrielle Ragland on behalf of the people. The people are requesting a high financial component in this case that is due to the serious nature of the allegations, and that there are significant lethality concerns regarding both regarding the victim